everybody, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets. Sorry for all the shaking. I am still in a temporary situation with the heat in my apartment. So I just wanted to come on today and do a very quick update on some things that are going on. The first thing is that July is actually the 12-month marker of me being completely debt-free. So it is kind of a celebration for me. You also know that for the last several months, like 3-4 months, I have been spending a lot of money on necessities, but I've had to borrow from a lot of my envelopes to pay for the things I've had to pay for. So I don't want this to be here anymore, and I potentially have some things coming up that is going to completely change my budget. So I need to clear this up. So what I have done is I have re-evaluated what I am paying back. I have narrowed it down to these 2, 4, 6 envelopes that get paid back. I actually had 7 and decided, you know what, that's one that we can start over and we can just go from here, and we can adjust what we need to adjust to make sure that it is fully stuffed when that due date comes. There are a few that I did not do that to, but that's because the due date is coming up within the next 2 or 3 months. So I will be continuing to pay back my car maintenance. And from my home binder, I want to put the money back into moving cost, 3-month bills, fix-it fund, new home emergencies, furniture, and appliances, which would bring the total to $527. Now, I have also done something a little different. I pulled from several envelopes so that I can start this payback immediately. I also emptied out the money that is in my savings challenges, with the exception of the Emergent Bee and the Pocket Full of Giving envelopes, because the Pocket Full of Giving is a donation envelope that will not go back into my budget. And the Emergent Bee, I really would like to have that be a long-term, larger emergency savings, so that is being left alone. I also left the car maintenance envelope in my car binder alone, so it still has the money that had previously been put in it. I did pull all the other envelopes out, and we are starting those over at 0. I do not remember what else I pulled money out of. Let's take a look. You know what? I am going to pull all of these. We are going to start over on every single one of them. I will fix these trackers later, but I want to have this focused. I want it taken care of so that my money is not being scattered in a million different places, and we can work on what we need to work on. So we are going to add this in to the amount. I'm going to set that aside because we may be needing it. And let's go ahead and add this into our already gathered money. Okay, and I have no idea how much money is here, so let's go ahead and count it up. So there's 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 145, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 160. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and $200 that I have pulled from all the envelopes. All right, now that we've done that, let's go ahead and start on our list. I am going to start with the lowest amount and then we're going to work our way up. So I actually need my new home binder. Go ahead and pull that out. And it is furniture and appliances. And we are adding in $22. So let's do 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, and 22. We will not update this tracker because that is what this tracker already says. Right, and this envelope is paid back. All right, so the next one we will do, next tracker that we will do is new home emergencies, which gets $50. So there's 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. And pull this back out is new home emergencies. So that tracker has 50 on it. Great, so this envelope is paid back. The next one will be 3-month bills, and that gets $75. So let's do some of these ones. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 40. Let me recount that and make sure that's right. Well, that is not what I came up with, so let me redo that. All right, that is $40 plus, so 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Right, and that goes into 3-month bills. And that tracker as well is correct. I will have to do a condensing very soon to get rid of all of these small bills. But right now we're going to work with what we have. So 3-month bills is paid back. The next one is going to be moving costs, and that is $100. I do not know if there's $100 left. I don't believe so, but 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, $75.80, $85.90, $95, $100. What do you know? There is $100 here. So, and that is for 3-month bills. No, that's for moving costs. And that tracker is complete at $100. Okay, so then moving costs is paid back. I feel like I maybe miscounted when I first put it up here, but I don't know. Maybe I didn't. I don't remember. We're just gonna go until it's done. So the next one that needs to be paid back is Fix It Fund. So let's see what we have that we can pay back. So there's 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, there's 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, and 3. So I can pay it back $53. So I don't know if you can see that. 100 minus 53 means that I will still owe it $47. And that will be that. Let's go ahead and stuff this in here. Okay, so we owe $47 plus $180 leaves a total of $227 left. That is owed back from my borrowing, and I am so blessed and so happy that when it came time to spend all this money on the things I had to spend it on, like tires and surgery bills, all of that stuff, that I had it in my saved envelopes and binders, that funded all of that, and it continued to let me be 100% debt-free 12 months straight. So thanks so much for being here with me. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.